I just thought I'd check in with you guys, see how you were. I've actually come away for a weekend, me and the dogs, as you can hear. I just hope you guys are doing well. Like where you probably are, I was feeling a bit stuck. So like I said, using my own coping methods and tools, I took myself off to recharge, get myself in a good headspace again. If you're feeling a bit stuck, just check my website out. There's a free discovery call button there. You might have lost your confidence where you feel like you couldn't go away on your own for a weekend like I'm doing. Just tap on the discovery call button, get in touch with me. You'll get some genuine, authentic advice of how to implement tools to make you feel stronger and more confident and get back to being you. I lost myself, but like I said, I'm glad I found Mary again. I hope you had a good weekend, and I will catch up with you soon. Bye.